dear WebDevDeal users, this is a tutorial video about null plugins. As you know, the null plugins is different from the original license, and the word null is nullable types are a feature of some programming languages which allow the value to be set to the special value null instead of the usual possible values of the data type. In statically typed languages, a nullable type is an option type, while in dynamically typed languages, where values have types but variables do not, equivalent behavior is provided by having a single null value. Null is frequently used to represent a missing value or invalid value, such as function that failed to return or a missing field in a database, as in null in SQL. Primitive types, such as integers and booleans, cannot generally be null, but the corresponding nullable types, nullable integers and nullable booleans respectively, can also assume the null value. Through the menu of our website WebDevDeal, go to the Plugins menu and then go to the WordPress plugin menu. In the first column, we have the most powerful and popular plugin, Elementor Pro. Select this plugin for installation and setting up. Go to the product page to download the intended file. To be faster in process, I have downloaded the file before. Now extract the downloaded files. Go to the main folder. We have Elementor and Elementor Pro folders here. We have to zip every folder separately so that we can use them in the host. Zip Elementor Pro 2. Go to the host. The host that we use in this tutorial is direct admin. You can also use a cPanel because there isn't any difference in process. We have installed WordPress before. Go to the plugins menu in the dashboard section. As you see, there isn't any plugins here. You have to go back to the host. Select WP Content folder in File Manager. Open it, then go to the Plugins folder. Now we have to upload the files we have zipped before. Well, we start to upload. Perhaps you will say we could do the installation via WordPress dashboard and the Plugins menu. Yes, you could do through that, but because the plugin is null, we may have a problem, so it's better to proceed this way. At the end of uploading, extract files into the host. So I delete extra files when the extract ends. They are not required. Go to the Plugins section in the WordPress dashboard. You can see that the plugins are displayed here, but they are not active. First, activate the Elementor. Well, now we have to go back to the plugins page. This time, activate the Elementor Pro. You can see that the Elementor has been added to the dashboard. I will show you the Elementor page. Then I'm going to License menu section. As you see, the status is active, and the null plugin has been installed and set up successfully. Thank you for joining us. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Good luck!